Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today opening hobby box number 6 of Star Wars Masterwork 2018. I think I'm kind of due for something huge here, so maybe this will be it. I've been lucky not getting duplicate autos, so that's been nice. None of the boxes feel heavy, unfortunately. Okay. Heavy boxes could indicate like a framed auto, which those are numbered out of 5. But you can still get a 1-on-1 auto, or a printing plate auto, or wood autos, pack number 1, or just cool autos of awesome Star Wars characters. Okay, pack number 1. Alright, we got Ugnaughts, we got Snap Wexley, we got Ayla Secura Green. That is 45 out of 99. We got AT-AT. And this must be a numbered auto. Ah, Laura Dern, Vice Admiral Holdo. That's nice. On-card auto. 32 out of 50. Sweet. I was lucky to get her out of Series 2 of Last Jedi. So that is awesome. That's definitely going to my PC. Very nice auto there. Alright, next pack. Okay, now let's hope for a sketch to go with that awesome auto. Boy, that pack is really thin. I'm going to save that one because that could be something very interesting up there for it to be so thin. I mean, like printing plate or something like that, maybe. Let's go into this pack. I don't know if there's redemptions in this. Wow, that pack's really thin. Something weird going on here. Alright, let's see what's in this one. That pack seems thin too, but not nearly as thin as these other two. This is a weird box right here. This one is not super thin like these other two. So let's open this one first. There's something there. It's probably one of the stamps. So we got Rey. Not an SP or anything, but nice Rey. Hoth Rebel Trooper. Blue Private Calfor. Anakin. History of the Jedi. $200. Oh, General Hux and Snoke stamp. All right. That likely means that we do not have a sketch, but there's going to be something weird in this box here. There's just no doubt about it. These packs are way too thin. I'm gonna go with this one first. Nah, there's 5 cards there. Okay, so we got Captain Peavy. Got Mace Windu. We got a blue AT-AT driver. Death Star. And what is this? Ben Daniels, General Merrick. That's pretty cool. On card auto. He hasn't signed a lot in Star Wars, I don't think. I don't have. I think I might have one of his. I picked up one of his cards in archives, but besides that one, I don't think I have any of his autos. All right. So let's see what this. This must not have been. I thought it was a thin pack, but maybe it wasn't. Oh, there is a printing plate. As you can tell, there's a metal, real thin card right there. Ooh. Okay, so we got Darth Maul, Captain Cassian Andor, Jabba the Hutt, blue. Got Count Dooku. I wonder if that's Captain Phasma. Yep, 1 of 1, Captain Phasma. Nice. The blue printing plate. That's sick enough to get put into a mag. Or one touch, whatever you want to call them. I call them mag holders, but that is nice. Very cool. 1 of 1, Captain Phasma printing plate. Man, I wish that would have been signed by Gwendolyn Christie. That would have been amazing, because I don't have any Captain Phasma autos, that's for sure. Ooh, that's an SP. Number 116. Any of the cards over 100 are over 100, not including 100. They're SPs, and pretty tough to pull. All right, what an amazing box. All right, so we got an SP Captain Cassian Andor. We got a nice Ben Daniels auto on card. We got a Snoke with General Hux stamp. This awesome Laura Dern as Vice Admiral Holdo refractor auto out of 50. And a 1 of 1 Captain Phasma printing plate. Awesome. All right, stay tuned for more videos.